Hey guys, this is my second bike check, and before I get into doing the actual bike check, I just wanted to tell you that by Saturday I should be getting another bike check out. Probably not by me, because the other member of ABC is coming back from BC. So yeah, I'm not sure if it's going to be a bike check or not, but it'll be something. Um, Starting off with the grips, they're glow in the dark. They've got like skull prints on them, if you can see. Most of the other, like, that's supposed to be red, but it's kind of more of like a pink. I'm not really sure what the front tire is, because I just bought this bike not too long ago, let's say. I think the front tires are like Animal APSs or something like that. Yeah, this bike is all custom. It's been built from scratch. I'm not really sure what the frame is. The seat here, kind of hard to tell, is Mission. It only has two pegs on the left side, because I guess apparently that's how pros have them. I'm not really sure. But the pedals are just GT, nothing special about them. The back tire is a slick tire. It's really hard to ride on dirt. The sprockets on them, on the back is like really small, I think like a 12, and the one up front is like a smaller size, 24 I'd say. This bike right now isn't rideable because the bearings in it are shot, I guess, whatever you want to call it. Whenever I do a full rotation of the sprocket, the chain will come off and I'll hit my knee off the front there, and that sucks, like, really bad. Yeah, that's really all to say about the bike. Yeah, it's got the seat is a pivot seat, I forgot to mention that. Oh, wait, the back tire is the Animal APSs, and the front is like something K-Rad. Can't really, I guess. Yeah, sorry for not really knowing a whole lot about my bikes, but next time when I get a bike, I'll probably get it brand new, so I'll actually know something about it. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please.